Did you guys have a good time this evening with us? This is a good show for us, man. This is a special show for us for many reasons. There's a lot of people in the audience that we know very well. Some of you we just met tonight. I want you to know that if you would invite us back, we would love to come back here and play music with you again. I always want to leave the audience with a little tidbit of something. And even though this might not be very emotional or important to you, but I want you to know it's important to me because people have asked me, do you ever sneeze on stage? And I've been able to say no. I mean, I don't know, the adrenaline's going, I just don't think about it. I've never sneezed in the middle of a verse or anything. And even though I was able to find the perfect time to do it, I want you to know that right here in Anaheim was the first time I ever sneezed playing a show. And it was as adorable as you would imagine. Speaking of adorable, would you please give it up for Josh Dunn on the drums over there? He's clapping for himself. Alright, you said you wanted us back, but until then, we got one more for you. I know where you stand, sadly in the tree.